And I found this clip that I'm about to show you. By the way, it's from a silent film, which, as you know, appears speeded up when played on modern projector. So I slowed it down to the real tempo and added music at exactly that tempo so that you can hear that it's one-step music. Only one couple is doing this special step. So watch the couple at the very far left as they come in. That's from a 1925 American silent film, Wolf Blood, the very first werewolf film. So that couple is doing a very fast 2-in-1, you could say, kind of a magic step, almost 20 years before the name Magic Step, which Arthur Murray did say had been around for decades. But here it was danced to very fast one-step music. Here it is again, slowed down to half speed. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. For the historians watching, this is not the British quick step. The quick step was and is a complex series of figures. This is just a step repeated. Walk, walk, shuffle, walk, walk, shuffle. Very American. And this is one-step tempo, which is faster than the quick step. Then, as I looked further, I found that same step in another 1925 American silent film, Lady of the Night. Now, this clip doesn't show anyone's feet to see their actual footwork timing, but you can very clearly see what their footwork timing is by the timing of the man leading his partner. Here it is, and I'm using Remaster Cinema's edit because it was stabilized and at real speed. Most of the couples are clearly doing a swaying one step, but one couple about to come in are going 1, 2, chasse, walk, walk, 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 chasse, walk, walk. Slowing down to half speed, they're dancing walk and chasse, walk and chasse, 1, 2, 3, and 1. So for the vintage dancers here, have you ever done that as the mid-20s one-step variation? I've not seen that one before.